So guys, this is just a real temporary setup for a check valve on this Olds engine. I've got a check valve here that allows fuel to drain back into the tank. Obviously a horizontal check valve, so I'll fire it up here, show you how it works, and then I have made some pieces for the other check valve, so maybe switch it back out, but this has kind of taught me what I needed to know with how this all works and everything like that. So hi guys, Old Iron Will here, and guess what? I'm still working on this Olds. Today I got to do some work on this check valve. Got to make the new. Well, they don't use a ball; they use more of like a flapper. This is the one out of my other check valve. It's got kind of a stem on there to help, I guess, guide it and keep it straight. The one that I'm trying to get up and going is definitely missing that piece. So I think I'm going to machine a new one of those. Just got time to get it done right now, so I think we'll do that. And I was finding it wasn't sealing very well going up and stuff like that. So I think best do it and try and get this engine done right. So I'm going to turn down another piece of brass. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I've chucked up a piece of brass here, 1-inch brass. Just turned it down to the outside diameter. It needs to be 121, 128. So not a whole lot I got to take off, but got to do that, and then I have to turn down for the stem. So let's get started. Just taking very light cuts, so Just gonna face it off here. Got a pretty good wobble on the end there right now, so. So I need to turn the next piece down to an 1/8 inch. Probably gonna be a lot of small light cuts, so I'm just gonna put you on the old time lapse here, and we'll catch up with you when we're done this portion of it. Well, guys, I ended up doing the whole machining process of it under the time lapse feature, but that's kind of the original I was trying to copy. This is the one I made. This is the one here. I'm not sure. Hopefully that shows up, but this is the one that was missing the stem. So seems to have turned out not too bad. So when this is just hand tight right now, but seals that way, seals that way. Seems to work to me, so I think I am still gonna find a nice O-ring and everything to go on there. There's a bit of a shoulder and everything on there, as you'll probably see in the close-up and stuff like that. So I'll take a picture of this and show you guys, but that should have this part of it. Let's hopefully put her back on the engine, and it works for me. So that way I can have my original check valve on the engine, so that'll be very good. So like I say, there's the two check valves. Like I say, I have 2 Olds engines, so I need 2 check valves, and this one wasn't sealing. It was kind of leaking around the seam. That's why I want to kind of put an O-ring on there. As you can see, there is a bit of a groove there. I think we can fit one in there quite easily, clean up that little bit of muck and whatever that is on there. So but like I say, it does all fit in there. So if I can put this together with one hand or not, I'm not sure, but I'm struggling to put it together with one hand. But you guys seen me have it together there before. So anyways, that's the piece I made. Does fit in there, like I say, right? So does fit into this side as well. So sure how well that's focusing or not, but so should work.